So hi guys, if you guys been noting, thank you for all the subscribers and the likes. I just want to say God bless you, and I know that all of you guys that have been part of my journey since I was 5, my very first YouTube video. You guys have been supporting me, and I appreciate that. I'm not asking for any likes and that. I'm just giving you guys time to decide if you think I am giving enough effort into it. And thank you for being part of my journey and my pets and like everything. Thank you for being part of that and supporting me and encouraging me to go on and follow my dreams. So I just want to say God bless you, and I hope you have a nice day. And to let you guys know, I'm gonna have a new dog and maybe a new cat. But if I get it, I'll let you guys know. Please hit the subscribe button. But you guys can have time. Tomorrow, let's see if we can get the play button. Please. Okay, and come on, what ASMR, because I will be starting a ASMR journey. And I just want to say, have a nice day. God bless you. Goodbye.